What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at XRP and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for your continued support. You're all amazing, truly. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, the day has finally come. XRP has broken out of its resistance that it's been under for essentially 3 weeks now. As we can see, we did get there. You can see quite clearly that we've been trading downwards here inside of this channel. Obviously, we got the breakout to the upside here, where we did test the wider bull flag, as you can quite clearly see here. But because of the market-wide correction, we did see XRP fall well back within the range of this channel that we've outlined here. It basically came all the way down to retest the bottom. We came back up, retested the top of the channel, and we've been bouncing in and out of it for some time here. As you can see, we've been trying to test it for the past few days, but we couldn't break it. But it seems as though we've finally broken out of this channel now. And once this happens, basically the target, if you break out of a channel, a downwards channel like this, essentially the target is always the top of the channel. So we will be targeting this 170 level in the next few weeks. As you can see, we've got the nice breakout here. We're making higher lows as well, which is really good to see. Obviously, we're looking to break out here above this sort of $1.04, $1.05 level, where there's been quite a lot of resistance recently. As you can see, we're currently trading at around $1.01. So it seems very likely that XRP is going to continue to the upside. Obviously, we do want to see the continuation of the pattern here that we're seeing. So we've obviously come back down and made a higher low. Now we want to come back up and make another higher high potentially, and then come back and retest it as support before the continuation, as we can see here. You basically want to see XRP zigzagging up like this. And the target, as we said, the target when you break out of a channel like this will be where the channel was formed. So this 170 level will be the target now. And as we can see, things are looking on the upside definitely for XRP. We did come all the way down to around 65 cents. And we retested this kind of macro trend line that we've outlined here. Obviously, as you can see, this seems to be very, very strong support. We've touched this many, many times in the past. There's one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we came back down and just touched it here, as we can see, 7. But we actually came back well above these levels, basically straight away, as you can see. And we actually came back up, all the way back up to around $1.06 before another correction to the downside. But as you can see, XRP really has been struggling to break out of this channel for some time. As you can see here, we had this huge run up where we went all the way to $2. We came all the way back down to around a dollar here, as you can see. We've got this double bottom, which is very nice. We came all the way back up again to around 177, but we did start to roll, as you can see. And we did start to flip bearish a few times here, essentially on the EMAs. You can see we've got the flip here of the EMAs, and we did seem to start going down and down, struggling to get back above the EMAs. But we did get a nice breakout, as you can see here, where we thought maybe this A, B, C correction would be invalidated, which we said in a previous video, because we did get the breakout to the upside. So the A, B, C here, it seemed as though it might have been invalidated, as you can see. But we did, this was just a false breakout, because obviously a few days after we got the huge correction, as we saw. XRP came back well within this channel. We got this bearish cross of the EMAs here, and we came well down below the EMAs. And since then, we've been struggling to get up just above the 20, to be honest. As you can see, we've been coming back down and retesting the bottom of the channel as well. We did come all the way down here and become very overextended to the downside. And we did actually get the bullish flip of the EMAs for the first time since the correction, as you can see on the hourly time frame. So this was bullish for XRP. So we assumed that we were going to see a decent pump for it, because since the first time since here, as you can see, where we got the bearish flip, we got the bullish flip here, where the 20 flipped the 50. We came up, but basically we were retesting, trying to break this this channel again. But as you can see, we did start to roll because we couldn't break this channel. We were making lower highs. As you can see, we came up here, made a higher high, but then we made lower highs again. So this is kind of, you know, this could have been like a little head and shoulders. As you can see here, a tiny little head and shoulders here. Got the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, and then we've got the cross of the EMAs, and then boom, to the downside. So as you can see, this was actually quite clearly telegraphed here. If you looking for the signals, you could see this was probably quite a good short opportunity. Congratulations to anyone who did that. Obviously not financial advice. But as you can see, got the head and shoulders. Basically couldn't break this the channel that we've been trading down in for some time. And then once we got the cross of the EMAs, that's essentially your confirmation that you're going to see some downside. And then we came all the way down again to around 80 cents here. But we did actually make a nice higher low. As we've been reiterating, this is extremely important because it means as long as we're not making lower lows, it means that we're primed for continuation. And as you can see, we've come back up here, basically traded sideways for a little while, and then we did get this bullish flip of the EMAs right on the cusp of being essentially bouncing in and around this channel, trying to break it, and then boom, we've got the nice clean confirmation that we've broken out of this channel here. So what we want to see now is the market basically not crapping itself, and we want to see potentially XRP come back down, maybe retest this channel as support before booming for continuation, or just getting the rip that we probably want and basically breaking out of this resistance that we see here of around between $1.02 and $1.05. As we can see, there's quite a decent sell order block here, and we've basically touched this area like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 times, and we've been rejected every time. So what we really want to see is maybe a little retracement for XRP to these levels here at around 95 cents, and we want to see the breakout, the complete breakout from this area. I think if we see this, we're definitely going to see XRP coming up to 120, 125, because there's not that much resistance beyond this level. As you can see, we are bouncing in and around this historical level of support and resistance here, and we do think this is a level that XRP needs to hold. If we can hold this, we probably will see a nice continuation for XRP up to around this 115 to 120 level here. And if we see that, maybe bounce to come back down and retest this support, we're definitely primed for continuation. So things are looking very good for XRP. It's getting a nice breakout despite all the market volatility. We've finally broken out of this downtrend. So what we want to see now is basically XRP coming back up in some kind of uptrend. As we can see here, we could have a potential reversal channel, which is something that we've been looking for some time here. And what we want to see is essentially XRP coming up to the top of this channel. As we've been saying here, basically retesting these areas, maybe come back down, retest support at around $1 or 1.5 here. As we can see, bounce off these levels and move to the upside. But as we said, provided that we're not making lower lows now, we could even come back down to an area like this and make a higher low and then maybe bounce around. But as long as we're continuing upwards in a channel like this, we're bullish on XRP. And obviously the SEC lawsuit looks as though it may be coming to a close potentially. So the second that we get the announcement that XRP has settled that case, which seems like more and more likely in our opinion, I mean, XRP could just rip through all of these layers of support and resistance and just go straight to its all-time high in our opinion of around $3.50. So hard to say in the short term what's going to happen for XRP, but it does seem as though we're flipping bullish here. So hopefully we can continue upwards in this channel. Obviously, as we said, we've broken out of this channel now, and the target would be 170, as it would be in any instance you break out of a descending channel like this. So long-term price prediction, I mean, so difficult to say, but we do think once the SEC lawsuit is settled, XRP could be anywhere between $10 and $20, maybe even more from retail investment alone. But if institutions start flooding into XRP, I mean, the sky's the limit really. 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, $200. It really is so difficult to know, because institutions could just turn on the floodgate in a heartbeat and just adopt XRP in a grand scale. And potentially trillions of dollars out there could potentially be flowing into XRP in the next few years. So really difficult to know, but we're super bullish on this project. It's a massive, massive project, obviously. It's got a huge amount of adoption. Its use case is very unique, and the sheer amount of integrations that it's got already, we're super bullish. So that's our update for XRP today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Like, comment and subscribe to be in with the chance of winning a hardware wallet and a new monthly giveaway as well. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. We have well over 100 people signed up so far, but many people were confused as to why they didn't receive their free stocks, and from what our analytics show, this is most likely because you haven't deposited the $100 yet, so make sure to do that to be eligible. As we said, you can withdraw the money from the platform if you wish after receiving them. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. So go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.